Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Miranda. How's it going, everyone? Hope you guys are having an awesome day today and enjoying that spring weather. Hopefully it's spring weather where you are. I mean, not the rainy part, but spring, nice, summer, spring. Anyways, babble, babble, babble. That's all I ever do. Of course, as I turn on the camera, something pokes me in the eyeball. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so this time I am going to show you my 5 top products that I have gotten past 3 months from either Ipsy, boxcharm, or Look Fantastic. And I feel like I'm missing something out there. I'll put something here if I remember what it was. Anyways, so these are my top products. Doesn't mean I didn't like the other stuff. It's just these ones I find that I'm using the most and love them. So let's get into this. I kind of want to just make this brief so you guys aren't sitting there going, just do it already. Right? Am I right? Alright, so my top I use every day. I might have to pause this video because got it. One of those long string hair things. I don't know how it gets to my eyeball. Is the Sol de Janeiro Copacabana. I'm in love. I want to I told my husband, I'm like, when I die, smother me in this. It's that amazing. So I will, when I run out of this, I'm going to be buying the big huge bottle of it because I love it. My husband loves it, which is, we don't agree much on smells, so everybody loves it. I love it. Yeah, it's amazing. And it's not just the smell. It really does moisturize. Something to do with that gel, and I can't even rave about that any. I love it. It's not for everyone. This isn't for everyone. This is just my personal opinions. I'm just telling you, letting you know. Okay, so my next one is actually quite surprising because a lot of people put this one down, but I actually really like it. So it's the Manica Dar. Let's get my face out of there. There we go. And it's the 3-in-1 step one. I actually really like. It's quite pigmented. I can use this on my eyes and as a blush. I use this one as a contour. And then I also can use it on my eyes, so I blend the two and create a crease. It's amazing. It's all in this one little thing. So if you put this down and didn't actually try it, just try it and use it for different things. It's actually really, 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 really good. That's all I gotta say about that. I love it. Alright, my next one is actually a little bit more surprising because a few months ago in our boxcharm, we got the No Pore Problem primer, and I do really like that one. I still do. I use it. But this one we got in an Ipsy a month or so ago. The Manica Dar was from, I think, Glossy Box or Look Fantastic. I don't remember. I'm gonna have to go look. But anyways, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. But the No Pore Problem priming water, and I like this one, I think, for my skin type because I am very dry in my nose area and my T-zone kind of area. This works amazingly. It definitely hides a lot of the pores and stuff like that, so I'm loving the water over the other one. I don't know what the other one's called, if it's just the No Pore Problem primer, but this one is the water, and I still got quite a lot left, and I've used a lot. It's actually you have to watch it. It goes runny, so blend it in quite quickly, and then wait at least 5 minutes before you apply your makeup. You want it to be dry and in your skin. So that's another tip. Don't apply your makeup right away when any kind of primer. Let it soak in and do its thing. Because it's not gonna work, and you'll be like, I don't like this. Okay, so my next one is the Lash Alert Mascara by Ico. I'm showing you my product here, and I love it. We got a primer, so I use that, and then I use this, and it really does wake up your eyelashes. I don't find it it gives it length, like major length. I don't find it gives it like width. Why can I not think of the word? Maybe it'll say. Doesn't say. But it definitely does curl, defined, and give length. I am actually quite shocked by this little thing. I like this better than the Better Than Sex mascara. I find that one went kind of chunky and it did fall out, and I don't get any fallout with this one. So that is my fourth product and I'm going to be really sad when this runs out. I don't know how much these are full size. I'm going to have to find out, or I'll post a little thing here. So last but not least, this one is The Ordinary. And this is the hyaluronic acid. And I love this. I learned my lesson, so just a little tip. When I first used this, I put it on and then I put makeup on. But I feel it almost peels, and my makeup went on really weird. So what I've been doing is putting this on at nighttime, and then whatever like face cream I have, and I find that my skin has been waking up a lot more hydrated. Yeah, I will be buying this again. Yeah, so The Ordinary, and I know this is really cheap. It's like $7 something at Sephora, or you can buy it online or whatever, and it comes in a really nice bottle and actually feels really nice going on. It looks like water, but it kind of goes on, I kind of want to say slimy, but that kind of gives a gross feeling, but it actually is really nice when it goes on. So those are my products. What do you think of my products that I chose? I really like them. That's my personal opinion. I do have quite a few other ones that I really like, and I may even do a video on those ones. What did you get in the past couple months that you've been really like kind of drawn to and you really actually really like? Leave a comment down below, and I'd love to read those and we can kind of compare and stuff like that. You know, be girlfriends. I want to be all your girlfriends. Be my girlfriend. Yeah, so that's my video. If you like unboxing and reviews and all that good stuff and my weird quirky sense of humor, press subscribe and press like, and leave a comment, because I really do like reading those. It totally makes my day, guys. So I hope you all are having an awesome day, and I am off to pick up children from school and dentist appointments. Not for me, for the kids. Yeah, I'm a little evil. Sometimes you want them to suffer a little bit, not like big suffer, just, you know, funny suffering. Does that make me mean? I don't know. I have all boys, so whatever. Alright guys, we'll see you later. Bye!